pain and torture of consolidating markets continues. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, February the 19th. And, well, we're a little bit lower this morning. Yesterday, we're a little higher. And as we said yesterday morning, when they were lower, look for a potential rally. Look, we're just in consolidation. It's very painful. It's a very torturous form of trading because there's not enough volume to push them one way or the other. You have a constant battle between the bulls and the bears. Eventually, this market will break out. We still believe that the breakout will come to the downside. Today, we're looking to sell 69.45 in the S&P. If it should get that high, it would be a bigger number. Of course, obviously, we'll trade it either way as it goes before. But as you look at the overall picture, you do have Philadelphia Fed this morning, GDP tomorrow. So there is some news that could possibly drive the markets, but for whatever reason, we haven't been able to break out one direction or the other. So we continue to churn with inside this range. In the meantime, as I said, the markets are lower across the board, but no real damage, no real volume. As we look at the dollar is higher, pushing towards 98, which we will sell. What we bought at 96, we'll sell at 98. Euro currency is lower. Bonds and notes are both lower. They did get to our levels to resell, so we sold bonds and notes. Bitcoin a little bit higher. We're still looking for Bitcoin to trade around 60,000 to become a buyer. Gold, silver, and platinum are marginally lower. No big deal. Nothing to do. They're just really in the sideways trade of consolidation. Copper selling off a little bit, back down to about 570. The grain markets are higher, which we're long, and of course looking for them to break to the upside. Out of the three, soybeans have broken out. We're waiting for wheat and corn. Cattle continues to churn and sideways, no real action along with hogs. Net gas is a little bit lower. We're long from 310. It is about 304, but it did get under $3 overnight. And we did sell crude this morning over 66, which is our target to sell. Look, at the end of the day, there's a lot of news driving the market, but there's no real driver because we have no volume. We have no action. So be careful. Check out our sponsors, TRADIER Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program, and of course, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, February the 19th.